Hi and welcome to another episode. It's Valentine's Day today, 14th of February. And what else you can do to show someone or something, in my case, that you love it? Serve it well. So this is my beauty. I'll do some nice things to her today. Let me just tell you first, if you're expecting something like before and after effect, it's not going to happen. You're in the wrong place. The thing is, last time I did maintenance for this chair was like 4 or 5 years ago when I moved into this apartment and when I finished the renovation of it. But it wasn't even a maintenance, I was just vacuuming it and probably washed it a bit with a sponge. You're in the wrong place for many reasons, and one of those I will be showing to you in a sec, is I don't really care about my chair, about the condition that it's in. I do not. I used to when I bought it, and maybe for the first year, but it was like, I don't know, 10 years ago maybe. I do not anymore. But I will today, and I will tell you why. Today's episode is actually sponsored by my girlfriend. Since it's still winter, since it's still muddy and snowy outside and freezing, since my car isn't working, my girlfriend went for a walk with a kid, and I just called her asking if she could bring me some grease. Bearing grease, something to lubricate the bearings. And she did. So at the time it was just one of the stupid ideas I had. But from the other hand, why not? I can show you how to do it. Not that I will do it professionally, not that I will succeed for sure, but just to give you a view so you know where to start, how to start, what to prepare for. In order to do it properly, you will have to unscrew some screws, which is obvious. But as a disabled person, you won't be able to go anywhere without it, right? I mean, you can crawl or slide on a floor, so you need to be prepared. For sure, you need to start with a piece of cloth. Because when you're done with it and your hands are going to be dirty, you don't want any of that grease or whatever on your upholstery, on a frame, right? So you have to wash yourself temporarily. Wet wipes will do as well. The grease itself, you will need it. I mean, I need it. In my case, this one is a bowl to put my screws in it, so I don't lose them. The old toothbrush might be useful. Some tools, Allen key this time. Some more tools. This one's, I believe, shall I translate it well, extraction gasoline is just to clean things. It may be useful. It'll help you get rid of that grease. I have a brush as well, just for, I don't even know, maybe I'll use it. Some more tools. And I do have a container like this. So when you spray things, while cleaning it, you're not leaving anything on the floor. So you don't have those stains all around you, right? In my case, it's Pringles as well. Tomato juice and the beer. But I don't think I should be showing it on YouTube. I'll just blur it. And I will, censor the word beer, just in case. I think that's it. But what's most important, you need to think about everything before you even start. Because, if you start unscrewing things, there's no way back. You are stuck in here until you're gonna put it all back together. Yeah, it looks like it's all I need. Yeah, let's start with the front wheels, the casters. Yep. Do you remember me saying you have to be prepared? Turns out I'm not. I forgot there's an axle in here, empty inside, kind of a pipe-ish, and it's stuck. And I forgot about WD-40, so let me just slide my ass there. Ugh. I made it. So I hope you understand now. Why I said I'll never do the maintenance of this chair. Alright, at least this part is done. Let's do the other wheel. I need to open this plastic cover. There you go. These are in horrible condition. This is just ridiculously bad. I'll add some grease to it to lubricate the bearing, but I don't think it's worth it at the point where I am right now. It will just extend the life of it by a bit. I should have picked the better angle so you can see it. I also thought that the dirt will go off easier, so I will have a lovely video of me making my wheelchair shiny, but it's not happening. No, it's not happening at all. So I'll just lube it. And let's pretend that I made it shiny. Do it for me, please. Like immediately after you started something, have you ever felt that it was a mistake? If yes, that's me for the past 2 hours. Starting it was a mistake. Continuing it was a mistake as well. Everything that I did today was a mistake. And I can prove it actually. You want me to prove it? You're gonna love it. I was making no noise. Before I even started it, I was making no noise whatsoever by moving. Let me show you how does it look like right now. Since I've cleaned those bearings, they started making noise. So the only solution right now I have is to trade those for the new ones. But I don't really have an equipment to do that. You need a special thingy to remove the bearing out of the socket. So I would have to go somewhere. Another reason is that I thought it will look better. You know, when I will clean it, polish it a bit, it will look shiny, brand new. It doesn't. It looks horrible. A bit better than it was before, but still, no. I guess I have to speed the process up, the process of building my own wheelchair. Because at the beginning of the video, as soon as I started saying that I don't care about how does it look in general, I started to care. I wanted it to look better, but it doesn't. I gave up as well. It's not that I couldn't do better, I gave up as well. And you know what's the most horrible part about it? Yesterday, when I decided to do a video of me doing a maintenance on that chair, I thought to myself, oh, I'm gonna do a lot of close-ups. I better do my nails. And I went to a nail lady or whatever. I literally paid to have those nails done. Look at this. It doesn't look done anymore. I've lost money actually. And I did it to myself. That's just stupid of me. Maybe I'll just go back there and tell her it's her fault. I don't know. But anyways, I guess that's it. If you turned that video, if you played it to learn something about wheelchair maintenance, I'm so sorry that you wasted your time. I mean, I wanted Pringles and tomato juice and I couldn't because I was covered in grease. It seems like Mick Jagger was right. You can't always get what you want. But if you did, I hope you will stay for longer because I'm planning to make a lot of mistakes like that. There will be no improvement on this channel. I promise you that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to visit my Patreons, GoFundMe, buy me a coffee. GoFundMe is special right now because I'm trying to fundraise for the car. It still doesn't work. But luckily the winter is coming to an end, so maybe it will start after like 2 months of being dead. Once again, thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye bye. The fuck am I doing? Am I waving to people over the internet? Jesus.